is Namiga Tindorona from Lugogo Vocational Training Institute. As we are seeing today, we are doing our practical for solar installation, and during our semester this year of learning, we have learned how to install houses, domestic installation. Yes, we have experienced so many skills. We have got skills that can help in our daily lives. Right now we are installing our solar panels and the inverters and so on. So this system can help you. For example, you don't have electricity, it can act as the backup system. Yes, I personally, these skills I'm getting, they will be helpful in future as I'm doing my daily job or work, even in the industrial training. Because after this paper, we are going to do industrial training next year, I think. These skills we are getting right now, they are going to help us in many various ways. I also like to thank the administration and the Lugogo Vocational Training Institute for giving us the materials we are using and supporting us in each and everything we are doing. Thank you very much, Lugogo Vocational Training Institute and UVTAP table. Thank you.